How many tools does it take to run an AI video channel? You write the script in one app, generate images in another, record the voiceover somewhere else, then edit in a fourth. The Real Forge puts that entire pipeline in one place. The image studio works in batches. Paste a block of text and the app splits it into separate prompts. Pick an aspect ratio, a count, drop in reference images, then fire the whole set with one click. The Video Studio has 5 modes: from text, from a first frame, from first and last frame, character mode, and Omni. Character mode keeps the same face across an entire series, up to 10 characters at once. Here is the real difference. You generate on your own Google Flow accounts, several of them in parallel. The app spreads the work, waits 3 to 6 seconds between jobs to stay safe, and benches any account that fails 3 times in a row for 2 hours. The News Studio is an automated newsroom. Pick one of 15 topic templates, and the AI researches real news every day, writes a narration timeline, and proposes visuals for each segment. You approve every step, so nothing gets invented and published behind your back. The Screenplay Studio turns one idea into a short film. Outline, beat sheet, characters, locations, props, then a video prompt for every scene, cut to the exact durations your model supports. The animation workspace swallows a whole comic chapter. Drop in 60 pages, the app numbers them and splits them into 98 panels. When a panel is cut wrong, you draw the cut yourself, following the artwork instead of a straight line. Editing happens right here in Capcap. A multi-track timeline, text, music, watermarks, automatic subtitles running offline, and MP4 export through FFmpeg. Capcap is free for everyone. For narration, there are 94 voices, and 50 of them run directly on your machine. Free, no API key, and not a single word leaves your computer. Want your own voice? Clone it from a short recording. You do not need a plan to make videos. Credits unlock every studio. 1 credit equals 1 dong, and failed generations are refunded automatically. Buy a plan when you want unlimited generation on your own infrastructure, starting at 69,000 dong a week. And you do not have to be at the machine. The web app opens on your phone. Write scripts, generate with AI Cloud, render the finished video on our servers. Jobs that need your Flow accounts queue up on the web and continue the moment your desktop is running. You tap from a coffee shop. The factory at home does the work. Download the Windows or macOS build at therealforge.com. Sign in with Google and you get a full trial day plus 10,000 in credits to taste AI Cloud. The Real Forge, your AI video factory.